What's up, guys? Devin with Venture Hobby Passion back today doing another video. We got Keith working on the truck. We also got the Dakota in here. Got to get on the trucks. Well, we got to say hi to him. If I haven't had you on the channel, let you know it's fine. He's going to have no name for this video just because it's kind of special. Maybe. Alright, but today we're going to be getting some lights on the Dakota. It's going to be pretty sick. That's what he's working on right now. And then we're also just going to be doing the first maintenance on the Tacoma. Since pretty much, yeah, lifted. Lifted it, broke it, and everything else. But yeah, let's just jump right into the time lapse. Alright guys, just doing a little bit of an update video. We got lots of background noise. Keith's freaking working hard. So, O'Reilly's, they had a new guy. They screwed it up and they gave us a two-wheel drive. A freaking two-wheel drive. We're not Keith. A two-wheel drive transmission filter. So, unfortunately, we're just putting the pan back on and we're gonna push the truck out tonight. And tomorrow when the filter comes in, we will come back to the shop, and during Keith's lunch break, we're going to throw everything together and be together and done. So yeah, we're going to do the time lapse of getting that zipped on and putting the truck down and pushing it out. But let's go over here. Hey, sir, how's it going? Is it still pissing you off? Just a little bit? All right. All right, guys. Tell me your honest opinion. What do you think? I'm thinking it's sick as tits, but you know, it's not sick as tits if it's not on.
I'm working on it.
Tonight, it'll happen tonight. All right, yeah, let's just jump right back to the time lapse. Alright guys, we're at the shop, so hopefully you can hear me. This is running. Got the light bar installed and it's on. Works great. He did his own wiring job. Mr. No Name. You'll get to know his name later. He'll also be on Keith's channel. It's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Oh, he's flashing me. And I'm flashing him. All right, yeah, so we're about to push the truck out. But we are back the next day. Keith is getting the transmission pan all taken off. We put it back on so it wouldn't get dust in it as much as possible.
Or drain any more fluid out that we want.
Or drain into their parking lot.
Yeah, possibly get pissed.
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead, get the filter on it, get it, and then get the seal on, and I'll put it back up in. And then we can put it down and fill them up as much as possible. We don't, unfortunately, have specs for the transmission service. So I just grabbed 6, and then I have a half bottle already of transmission fluid. I'm hoping that's enough, but I don't really know. And I definitely have enough oil change. I've done that before. We're gonna try to wreck this out tonight because Keith's got some other plans, and I want to go back. And I want to go back to organizing all my tools. That's what I've been doing today off camera because it's not like super interesting. But yeah, we'll just go straight back to the time lapse. All right, guys, so we finally got the truck finally done on the transmission service and oil change. And the freaking Dakota changed to a Cavalier. Like, what the heck? Okay, actually, this is the next day, so the Dakota's going camping. And this is Keith's golden turd, as you can see. But yeah, I got the truck done finally, got the right filter. Not a 2-wheel drive, we have a 4-wheel drive because we actually have a truck. Got you.
What is that for?
Cause you need a 4-wheel drive or else it's not really a truck.
It's called I know where to drive and how to drive it.
Alright, I pulled you out before. Know how to drive? Alright, but yeah, we got it done. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video of getting that done. Mostly just a time lapse and also working on that sick Dakota. Alright, but that's it for today's video. So hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing of my channel, go out and go find your passions.